So when you come into the room, you get this kind of view. So I'll show you we've got a really nice view actually. We've got like the main jukebox. And then there's a load of cheerleaders. I think there's competitions on. They've just been rehearsing down there, so we've had that as well, cheering us into our Disney holiday. You've got this little unit which has got the fridge, and then I don't think there's anything in that drawer. I think it's just storage space. Teas and coffees, and an icebox. Alistair just said we should get refillable mugs, so we have that to do. He's found the Hey Disney, so we'll have that to play with this time. Very exciting. This is the pull down bed. We have not tried to pull it down yet.
Pull it down after you finish the room.
Yes, I feel like that's sensible. But it makes the little table and chair set during the day, so it's quite spacious sort of whilst it's up. Then you've got the other bed, the phone, and there's little cubbies like either side of it. This is just the big TV, and then again, oh, the spare, oh, that's where the safe is. And then the spare bedding, and then there's 3 sets of drawers, plenty of USB and plug sockets, so there's some in there. There's also some here, and I think there's some either side of the bed. There is, so there's some there and some there, so there's lots of charging points. You've got a sliding door to separate this section off, and you've got some hanging space there, and a door to an adjoining room if you have booked that. Then you've got a little bit of wardrobe, sort of hanging space there, and another big cubby there. Ironing board, iron, more cubby space, hairdresser, more cubby space, tissues, all your basics. We've got some nice soap, Disney soap, and mirror, charging points, and then into the bathroom it is a sliding door, ooh, with a full length mirror, and then just toilet, and then it's got a sliding door, shower and bath with, ooh, Disney products. Not the H2O, but I think they're going to be very similar. Yeah. And then towels and light switch. Oh, and as if by magic, Alice has pulled down the second bed. And then you've got, these are different for all the different All-Star ones. So the little dream bubbles are themed to the All-Star Resort. So this is music. So we've got them playing music, but the movies has movie ones and the sports has them playing sports. I think it might light up, but I'm not entirely sure. And then you've got Mickey, Minnie and Donald above the main bed. So I've already given you a bit of a room tour and spoke about this bed. So the room comes with 2 double beds, but one of them is like a pull down and it turns into a table, which you can put a couple of chairs around. And it does actually make quite a nice spacious area when you enter the room, because the door to the room is there, somewhere there. And then the other double bed and then the bathroom are all that way. So we're just going to show you how easy it is to basically put the bed up, because that's what we've been doing on a daily basis. We've basically pulled it down when I'm ready to go to bed, and then in the morning we put it back up so we have a bit more space. It's really simple. You can do it as one person. We've been doing it together. I don't really know why. To prevent injuries. I'm already injured, so, but not from the bed. Anyway, we'll show you how to do the bed. So that's it up, and then you get the table, and then we've got a couple of chairs which are out of the shop. But then just to pull it down, you grab hold of the handle first, then you're supposed to move your hands to the corner, and then gently lower it down.